Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So here we come with the next topic in optical instrument, that is compound microscope. Till now we have discussed about simple microscope and we are going to use those expressions in compound microscope too. Okay. In simple microscope what we have discussed about two cases, you can say. About two cases we have say when image is formed at D, then magnification is 1 plus D by Fe. This is the magnification in case of simple microscope when final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, and if final image is formed at infinity, then that comes D by Fe. Magnification is this. So if you haven't watched that particular video, so watch that particular video first. So in simple microscope we have calculated these magnifications, हमने calculate ये करी थी. Compound microscope is basically it is composed of two lenses. One is objective and another one is eyepiece. So here comes, suppose this is a lens and the size of objective lens is small than in case of eyepiece. This lens is called as objective lens. Objective lens, and this is called as eyepiece. Okay. In compound microscope, if we will place object here coming parallel, pass from optical center, it will pass from optical center, so it will be drawn it like, we'll draw it like this. The ray is passing from optical center, okay, and one ray is from focus. Now the point is that this is AB, this is focus, and this is center of curvature or 2F. अब बेटा जो कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप है उसमें जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को रखते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस से U डिस्टेंस पे, उससे जो इमेज बनेगी here दिस इज ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस, तो इसकी फोकल लेंथ को हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं FO से, आई पीस की फोकल लेंथ को FE से. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें, ऑब्जर्व करें कि ऑब्जेक्ट को हमने ऐसे रखना है कि उसकी इन्वर्टेड इमेज बने राइट साइड, और इस लेंस को हम लोग इस तरीके से एडजस्ट करते हैं कि ये जो लेंस इमेज बना रहा है, मींस द इमेज फॉर्म्ड बाय द ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस मस्ट बी formed such that that image will lie in between the optical center and the focus of eyepiece. We will adjust this eyepiece like this, that the image formed by objective will be in between the optical center and focus. Okay, now again what's going to happen here, this is parallel and this is the ray going from optical center. Let us extend this and let us make final image here like this, okay, this is straight line. So the final image will formed here. Suppose this is AB, this is A dash B dash, and this is A double dash B double dash. अब हम कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप में क्या करते हैं, what we will do in compound microscope also we will find out the magnification for the two cases. Which two cases? Those two cases when final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision and when final image is formed at infinity. Final image कौन सी है यहाँ पे आपके लिए, A double dash B double dash. So this is U जो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस है हमारा, and this is V, ये V यहाँ से, so I am notating it V. Okay, this is what, this is, this distance is from this, here it is F objective, here it is F eyepiece. So this is the ray diagram, you can see. It's very important. Derivation में या NCERT में जब भी मतलब question directly आ जाता है ray diagram, draw ray diagram also. So this is basically ray diagram. When final image is formed at D. D is what? Least distance of distinct division. Okay. Now here also we are supposed to find out the value of magnification. यहाँ पे भी हमें किसकी वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है? मैग्निफिकेशन की. तो देखो कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. अगर मैं कलेक्टिवली इस कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप को देखूं तो मैग्निफिकेशन जो मेरे पास आता है वो आता है A'(B') upon AB. Collectively, if we'll see the combination of two lenses, we are observing it from here. This is eyepiece basically. We are observing it from here. So collectively, if we'll observe this compound microscope, then we can observe that the object for this compound microscope is this, and the final image for this compound microscope is what? A'(B'). So collectively, magnification for this is what? A'(B'), that is height of image upon height of object. Image is A'(B'), object is AB. Collectively, if we will see. Okay. Now, if we will multiply this with A'(B') and divide it by A'(B'), A'(B') से multiply कर दो और A'(B') से divide कर दो. So it get cancelled out. If it get cancelled out, it will remain same. Now, you can observe here, A'(B') upon AB is what? A'(B') is image for objective and AB is object for objective. So, shall I write it like magnification for objective lens? Yes. A'(B') upon AB is magnification for objective. Similarly, if we will see this one, see this one, A'(B') upon A'(B'). A'(B') is object for eyepiece. A'(B') is image for eyepiece. So this is what? Magnification of eyepiece. So we can say that collective magnification of compound microscope is magnification of objective into magnification of eyepiece. Now, if you will observe magnification for objective, let's find out magnification for objective. Magnification for objective, as we know for lens, magnification formula is V/U. So if we are supposed to find out magnification for objective, what will be the magnification for objective? The value for magnification for objective will be, this is V, V by, this is U, U is negative. This is magnification for objective. Again, magnification for objective will be V/U. This is V, this is U. U is a negative. So I'll write V/U minus, this is magnification for objective. And if you will observe in case of eyepiece, you will see that this is similar to the case of that simple microscope when final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision. This is capital D. When final image is formed at least distance of distinct vision, ये वो केस है बेटा सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप का. अगर आप सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप को थोड़ा सा जस्ट इसको सीधा कर दो, वो सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप वाला केस बन जाएगा. तो जब फाइनल इमेज हमारी लीस्ट डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट विजन पे बनती है, उसकी मैग्निफिकेशन तो हम लोग कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं. एंड दैट मैग्निफिकेशन इज फॉर आई पीस इज व्हाट? 1 + D/FE. सो जस्ट पुट द वैल्यूज, वी विल गेट. ये हमने करा भी है. जब मैंने आपको क्या बोला, सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप की केस आपको याद होनी चाहिए. सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप की केस हमें क्या याद होनी चाहिए कि मैग्निफिकेशन जब सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप की मैं फाइंड आउट करता हूं, जब मेरी फाइनल इमेज लीस्ट डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट विजन पे बनती है, दैट इज 1 + D/FE. So here in case of eyepiece, if we'll observe that this case is similar to that very case, which one? Simple microscope. So we can write directly that magnification for eyepiece will be 1 + D/FE. Okay, so collectively if we will write that magnification for compound microscope, magnification collectively for compound microscope is -V/U 1 + D/FE. This is the magnification for compound microscope when final image is formed at least distance of distinct division, that is capital D. So this is the first case you can say. Now ये जो मैग्निफिकेशन है बेटा सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप से ज्यादा है. कैसे है? सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप की मैग्निफिकेशन होती थी 1 + d/Fe. अब अगर यहां पे आप मैग्निफिकेशन को कंपेयर करें तो 1 + d/Fe तो है ही है आपके पास, उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई में एक और टर्म है v/u. मल्टीप्लाई में एक और टर्म है बेटा v/u, और जो मल्टीप्लाई में टर्म है v/u क्या वो 1 से बड़ी है? Yes, of course that is greater than 1. Why? Because the value of v is more than value of u. You must know those cases that if object is placed between center of curvature and focus, image is found beyond c. Okay, and it is magnified. So this factor, this is greater than 1. This factor is greater than 1. So if we'll multiply this with a factor greater than 1, then its magnification increases. So we can say that the magnification in case of compound microscope is much more greater than the simple microscope. Okay, one more term what we defined, that is called as length of tube. So what is that length of tube? See, if you will see, this will plays as a role of object for eyepiece, this image. And if this is in a tube, then what is the length of the tube? See, this distance is v and this distance is ue. So we can say that length of tube is v plus ue. This is length of tube. One more thing we can see, that if the object approaches towards the focus, अगर ये ऑब्जेक्ट जो है फोकस की टूवर्ड्स अप्रोच करती है, यानी कि इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ u सिमिलरली इक्वल टू FO, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट को मैं और पास लेकर आऊं और सिमिलरली इक्वल टू FO कर दूं, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस है, इसके पास अगर मैं लेकर आ जाऊं तो जो बेटा आपकी इमेज है ना वो और इधर पास हो जाएगी, इसके पोल के पास बनेगी. तो जो मेरा V हो जाएगा इस केस में वो हो जाएगा L. तो बेटा जब ये इमेज यहाँ पे बनेगी, इसके पास बनेगी, तो सिमिलरली इक्वल टू L लिख सकता हूँ मैं, V इज सिमिलरली इक्वल टू L. सो इफ वी विल substitute these values here, what we will get magnification is equals to minus L by ये भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Approximation cases clear? So this is the way how we will find out the value for magnification. Magnification का value हम लोग कैसे identify करेंगे? This is the way. Okay? Now suppose let us find out its magnification in general case. Okay, so if the microscope is, this is objective, okay, lens. Now magnification we all know is equals to 10 beta upon 10 alpha. Now the angle made by image, where is the final image? Here it is. So final image is making angle beta. So this is angle beta, beta. This is angle beta. And what is 10 alpha? What about 10 alpha? अगर मैं ऑब्जेक्ट को d डिस्टेंस पे रख के वहीं पे आई नेकेड आई से देखूं तो बेटा वो आपका अल्फा होता है AB. तो 10 अल्फा तो सिंपल है, क्या था? h/d जानते हैं हम. यहाँ पे अगर आप चाहो तो कैलकुलेट भी कर सकते हो, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. अगर इस ऑब्जेक्ट को मैं यहाँ लेकर आ जाऊँ जहाँ इमेज को रखा है मैंने, जहाँ पे इमेज को मैंने ड्रॉ करा है, डी पे ड्रॉ करा है, तो डी पे जब मैंने ऑब्जेक्ट को रखा तो बेटा जो वो एंगल बनाएगा तो दैट विल बी h/d, दैट्स इट. So 10 beta upon 10 alpha. Let us find out the value of 10 beta first. So if we are supposed to find out the value of 10 beta, what will be the value? We will find out from triangle A dash B dash O. This is actually H beta and this is actually H dash. सेम लग रहा होगा डिस्टेंस, थोड़ा सा ये बड़ा है, ये छोटा है साइज इसका, ठीक है. दिस इज एनलार्ज्ड. जब C और F के बीच में ऑब्जेक्ट होता है तो इमेज जो बनती है वो लार्ज बनती है. तो 10 बीटा अगर मैं यहां से कैलकुलेट करूंगा, आई विल फाइंड आउट इट एज H डैश अपॉन UE. दिस इज व्हाट 10 बीटा. So put the value, we will get magnification 10 beta. 10 beta is H dash by UE. And what about 10 alpha? H upon D. So if we will simplify this, we will get magnification is equal to H dash upon H into D by UE. What is it? This is magnification of objective lens. So magnification of objective lens is, so magnification, complete magnification can be written as M is equals to MO into D by UE. Now what we will do, we will find out the value of D by UE. Now one more thing, that H dash by H, if you will observe, H dash is negative and H is positive. So magnification for objective will be what? You can also write it minus V by U into D by UE. Afterwards we are supposed to find out the value of D by UE, same process as we did in simple microscope. What same process? Okay, so this is basically general case, you can say. But if the final image is formed at D, in that case what we will do? We will find out the value of D by UE. Okay, so if final image is at D, capital D, again we can find the value of D by UE. 1 by FE equals to 1 by V is minus D minus 1 by minus UE. D by FE equals to minus 1 plus D by UE. So what is the value of D by UE? D by UE is 1 plus D by FE. Same thing, put the value here, we will get magnification is equal to minus V by U into 1 plus D by FE. Now let us discuss about second case. What that second case is? When final image is formed at infinity. When final image is formed at infinity, then our UE becomes what? Then our UE becomes FE. So if the value of UE becomes FE, then we'll put magnification is equal to minus V by U into D by FE. This will be the value for magnification. Now the second case is when final image is formed at infinity in case of compound microscope. Then what we will do, we will adjust its image like this. It will be exactly forming at द फोकस पॉइंट. और इस ऑब्जेक्ट को या इस लेंस को इस तरीके से एडजस्ट करेंगे कि ये जो इमेज बना रहा है ये लेंस, ये एग्जैक्टली इस लेंस आई पीस के फोकस पे बने. तो अगर आई पीस के फोकस पे बनेगी तो फाइनल इमेज मेरी कहाँ बनेगी? इनफाइनाइट पे. तो मैग्नीफिकेशन मैं किस तरीके से कैलकुलेट करूँगा? अगेन व्हाट इज MO इंटू ME. So MO is minus V by U, again V naught by U naught, because this is objective, that's why we are writing not, okay, into ME for eyepiece, it will be what? D by FE. This you know, when final image is formed at infinity in case of simple microscope, then what is the magnification? That is D by FE. So the final magnification when final image is formed at infinity in case of compound microscope will be this much, minus V naught by U naught into D by FE.